What's up, everybody? It's January 19th, 2022. It's currently 9:46 a.m. I've been grappling with the Cook County Call Center and the Sheriff's Department on the phone all morning because of two reasons. One, they did not approve my entire work schedule. They approved one day that I'm supposed to go to work when I sent them all of the days I'm supposed to go to work this week. They approved one of them and didn't approve the other day. They just didn't approve my work day. I don't know why. I've been calling. They just didn't do it. And two, I'm supposed to have permanent movement on Mondays and Wednesdays between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. according to the Pretrial Fairness Act. So according to the Pretrial Fairness Act, there's a permanent schedule that I am supposed to have where I'm allowed movement to essentially like go get a haircut, go take care of groceries, shit like that. And that's supposed to be permanent. That's supposed to be weekly. They essentially told me today, after I've been, using this movement, because this movement started January 1st, I talked to the call center about it, and they said that movement was permanent. Sheriff's Department then decided today that it doesn't count if I get work movement. So because I have work tomorrow, I can't go grocery shopping today. Even though those are supposed to be completely separate movements, and one of them is sanctioned by Illinois state law. So my rights, again, have been infringed upon. I've talked to the call center about being able to go on this movement before, and I was told very explicitly it's completely separate from my work movement, and I still get my work movement and my essential movement, because essential movement is state law, and my work movement is a court order from my judge. So those things are not supposed to intersect. I'm supposed to be able to go to the store like I'm supposed to. I'm supposed to be able to go to work like I'm supposed to, because judge said one and the state of Illinois law said the other. And they took both from me this week. They just took them both. I'm going to put the videos behind this one. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to go ahead and link all the original videos of like me inquiring about the movement and the video of my work movement not being fully approved in the description of this video. That way y'all can see just everything that's happened about this week. And while this is happening, I also want to stress to y'all that this is a new development that they made up today, because Monday I was allowed to go on this essential movement, and now a day and a half later, all of a sudden it doesn't count. So many of these rules are really just contingent on who the fuck showed up to work today. And I'm about to put a screenshot of the new notification that they sending us to, because they don't say shit about not being able to move if you got work. They just don't say that. So, yeah. Ignorance of the law is no excuse, I get, but like, you got to inform motherfuckers of the law, and they're literally in communication with me all the time, but none of them say the same thing.
How can I help you?
Yes, hello. My name is Jeremy Johnson. OID number 02-008-17013. First name Jeremy, last name Johnson. I'm calling about two things. One, my lawyer put in a request for lawyer movement for me. I'm supposed to be seeing my attorney today. They said that they talked to y'all. Yeah, got you. My bad.
So they said it's today?
Yeah, they said it's today. They said they put in the request. They just needed me to call and verbally confirm. That's what they just texted me.
I don't show a request for any attorney movement, so I don't even show documentation from your attorney.
They just told me that they talked to the call center a minute ago. So I don't know if it just hasn't
Who is
gone.
they?
My attorney just said that they talked to y'all a minute ago, so it should be there. Also, and this is the second reason I called. In accordance with Illinois state law and the Pretrial Fairness Act, I'm supposed to have permanent movement on Mondays and Wednesdays between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. And I was
If
told,
you don't have other scheduled movements, then yes. If you have other movement, they don't approve your movement, sir. That voids that movement.
so if I have
What
work,
I'm showing, which I'm showing here that the sheriffs have denied you your essential movement because you had work movement, correct? So you don't have the essential movement if you're scheduled for work movement, sir, on the day that you have essential movement.
so if I have to go to work tomorrow, because I got to go to work tomorrow, if I got essential movement to go to the grocery store or the doctor, I can't go to the doctor because I got a job.
Correct. Well, you can submit for the request for that separately, but yes, your essential movement, you don't have that if you have work schedule and it falls on the day of your essential movement. They advise that you don't get both movements. You get your work movement.
I mean, it doesn't fall on the day. My work is tomorrow.
You have movement for work tomorrow, sir, from 9:30 to 5:30.
Yeah, no, my essential movement was supposed to be today, and they canceled my essential movement for today, so it doesn't fall on the same day. They're a day apart.
Let me see. Give me one moment. May I place on hold?
Yeah. Fucking Christ. Day. It's just some stupid shit every fucking day. It's just something fucking stupid.
Okay, thank you for holding.
Yep.
Okay, so apparently if you were already granted work movement, sir, you don't get the essential movement. That's only for people who don't have movement currently.
They've been putting it on my permanent schedule weekly since the law changed.
Okay, that was, but you were granted now a work movement, even if it's temporary. The sheriff advised that they don't grant both movements. You are not, even if it doesn't fall on the day that you're scheduled to work, you don't get that movement, sir.
I don't think that's how that law works.
Okay, well that's what the sheriffs are advising, sir.
I mean, what does the state legislature say? Because this is above them.
I don't know, sir. I don't know. You can speak with your attorney in regards to that.
I'm trying to do that, but they canceled it.
I'm sorry?
I'm trying to go talk to my attorney, but they canceled my essential movement, so I can't go see him.
Well, then you need to have your attorney set you up a visit and send in a request for the movement, sir.
That's why I called. He did. And you're saying that he...
There's no request then, sir.
I know they got on the phone with me before I called here, and they said they put in a request. And it was the second time they had tried to put in a request, because they tried to put in a request a couple of days ago, and they said that they wanted me to call, even though they're the ones with the documentation. So I've been getting a runaround with this specifically for this attorney movement for like 3 days. On top of the fact that my...
documentation on file for an appointment with your attorney visit, sir. So I'm not sure who you spoke to, but there's no request in for the attorney visit because there's no documentation for it, sir. There's a request put in for your work movement for the following days, but there's no request in for your attorney visit.
Okay, did they complete my work movement? Did they give me my movement for the 22nd to go to work?
Those are still pending, sir. The only one you've been approved for is for tomorrow.
Why did I only get approved for one of the 2 days I have to work when I put them in on the same request?
No. You have to wait till they review those requests, sir.
Why did they not review them at the same? It's the same request. I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you. I just want to make that clear. You didn't do this. I am just constantly confused because I'm never being told the same thing no matter who I talk to. And I just want to understand what's going on.
I apologize about that, sir, but I don't know why the sheriff didn't review all your requests at once. I'm not a sheriff. I don't know how they handled that, but they've only approved you for today. The other ones are still pending.
So I can go to work tomorrow. I can't move at all today.
Correct, sir.
Even though I have permanent movement according to Illinois state law, which means whatever they advise don't mean shit, because that's what the law is. Like the law changed.
You don't have any movement, sir. Correct.
And I might not be able to go to work on Saturday if they don't catch it, because I didn't call them about this 3 times. I've been calling them about my work all week. Because they
That's fine, sir. I do show that, but like I said, I'm not a sheriff. I don't know why they only reviewed you for tomorrow's date and not the rest of the days. I'm not a sheriff. They haven't denied you for those days. They just haven't reviewed it.
Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. All right.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. And again, I just, I'm not mad at you. I'm mad at it. I know you didn't do it. I just...
No, I understand, sir. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. All right.
You have a nice day.
You too. Bye.